Here, my dear students, question number 31. CH5NH, CO, CS3 is hydrolysis by water, H plus and OH minus ions, and second water. A is, what is the A is? Here, my dear students, you can see the reaction. CH5NH, CO, CS3 is hydrolysis. This is a hydrolysis in presence of H plus ions. My dear students, here is the CO group. This CO group is always broken down in the form of acyl ion. You can know very well. And here this NH2 group, when this hydrolysis H and OH is formed, here you can get the C6H5 NH2 plus CS3 COOH. Here it is called aniline. So, your 31, your answer is D, because aniline present in D option. Now, my dear students, we can go to the question number 32. During ammonolysis, primary amine act as, my dear students, R reaction, RNH2. These are the primary amines. Here, and this primary amine reacts with Rx. Here, X is decomposed by halidine and positive charge is present. Here, my dear students, this lone pair of electron are taken on this positive charge. So, you can get the R2NH and HX is removed. Here, primary amine is converted to, my dear students, it is converted to secondary amine. When this primary amine is converted to secondary amine, this amine is act as a nucleophile, because this lone pair of electrons are taken on the nucleophile, positive charge. So, it is act as a nucleophile, and this is called ammonolysis. So, answer is your A. 32, answer is A. Now, my dear students, we can go to the question number 33. It is also important reaction, because here H2SO5 is used, and this is used as a oxidizing agent. My dear students, what done this H2SO4 oxidizing agent? My dear students, this is aid the oxygen between the nitrogen and hydrogen. So, you can get the reaction and get the product CS3 and OH and CS3. And my dear students, it is called dimethyl hydroxylamine. So, my dear students, answer is C. Question number 33, answer is C. Now, my dear students, we can go to the question number 34. Hinsberg reagent is, my dear student, Hinsberg reagent is the, that is C, aromatic sulfonyl chloride, means C6H5 SO2Cl. It is called benzene sulfonyl chloride. It is called benzene sulfonyl chloride, is also called Hinsberg reagent. So, answer is C. Now, my dear students, we can go to the question number 35. Here 35 question, my dear students, we write the reactions CH3, CH2, Cl. Here, my dear students, when this CH3, CH2, Cl reacts with this NaCN, here this minus charge, plus charge, so NaCl is removed, and you can get CH3, CH2Cn. This compound is called X compound. My dear students, when this X compound is reduced by nickel and hydrogen, then this Cn group is converted to CH2 and NH2. So, you can get the amines CH3, CH2, CH2, NH2. Now, my dear students, here this compound is a Y compound. This Y compound is further reacts with acetic anhydride. Here, This Y compound reacts with acetic anhydride. Acetic anhydride compound is this one. This is called acetic anhydride. When this acetic anhydride is broken, you can get here positive charge and here negative charge. Here this hydrogen atom is replaced, so you can get the acetic acid here and form, you can get the acetic acid here and plus form CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3, CH2, CH2, NH. This NH group is attached with this. NH is a minus charge plus charge COCH3 group. So, you can get this product and it is a Z compound, my dear students, and this compound is present in option A. So, option A is the correct answer. CH3, CH2, CH2, NH, COCH3. Option A here is the correct answer. Now, my dear students, we can go to the question number 36. Here, question number 36, basic strength of the following are. My dear students, those electrons goes in the solutions, those electrons goes in the solution are less basic. Here lone pair of electrons give the nitrogen here, so it's a less basic. Here you can see CH2NH2, it's a more basic because nitrogen atom is not go in the directly resonance or benzening. Here this nitrogen lone pair of electrons are go in the benzening. Solution means benzening because it's a solution of benzene. Now we can see here second point here, this lone pair of electrons are resonating, here go in this form and in here that's where resonance is occur. Here resonance is also present in this form NH-COCH3, but here nitrogen atom, lone pair electron go here and here also, but this nitrogen atom only go in one direction. Now we can see here which lone pair electrons of nitrogen go in the resonance or not go in the resonance. This nitrogen lone pair electrons also go in the benzening in resonance. So, my dear students, answer is third is the most basic amongst all four. Then third is more basic means C or D. Fourth, no, one no. Here 3 or D is answered by, because the third group these electrons not go in the resonance. After third you go to fourth or 2, you can decide here fourth, this is fourth and this is 2. Here my dear students, we can see that this fourth, these electrons are go in the ring and after come in the ring, because here CO group is also present. So, CO group, this oxygen atom is also give the lone pair electron to carbon atom. So, these electrons are firstly come with this NH2 group. So, you can go the answer C, because this fourth is more basic than 2. So, this order is very, very important. You can learn this order. Fourth is more basic than 2. We can go to the question number 37, which of the following is the strongest base. Concept is same. Concept, those nitrogen atom directly attached with aromatic ring or are weakly based, weakly basic in nature. My dear students, here you can see this nitrogen atom is attached this ring, so it is a weakly basic nature. This nitrogen atom is also attached with this aromatic ring, so this nitrogen atom go to the solution benzene ring, this also go to the benzene ring, and this nitrogen atom also go to the benzene ring. But this nitrogen atom are not directly go to the benzene ring. So my dear students, here you can go the answer A, because these lone pair electrons are present on the nitrogen atom, not go to the benzene ring. So it is a more basic in nature, others are less basic, and this is the concept. You can learn this concept. Now my dear students, we see the question number 38. Which order of basicity is correct? First of all, you can write down all the structure of these compounds. Aniline, what is the structure of aniline? The structure of aniline is this one. This is the structure of aniline. What is the structure of toluene? And that is orthotoluene. This is the structure of orthotoluene. What is the structure of metatoluene? This is the structure of metatoluene. Which basicity is correct? Question number 38. My dear students, here you can see the toluene, this methyl group repel the electrons, so plus I effect is produced, and due to plus I effect, these are more basic because these repel the electrons. Here my dear students, what problem is that? Problem is that when this CH3 group present on ortho position, when this methyl group present on ortho position, then ortho effect is occur. What is the ortho effect, my dear students? Ortho effect is that due to this basicity decreases. Means when these groups are present on ortho position, then nature of the group is changed. So nature of the group is changed due to this hydrogen atom present or bulky nature or steric hindrance. You can say that nature of this group is changed. That's why meta is more basic than aniline here, and aniline is more basic than this orthotoluene. So you can go the answer D, 38. Answer is D. Here number 1 metatoluene, number 2 that is aniline, and number 3rd one is orthotoluene due to this ortho effect. Now my dear students, when we see the question number 39, this is also a basic question, my dear students, and important questions. Here you can write the reaction. Here my dear students, you can write the reaction. It's also a basic question and important question. We can write the reaction. Here CH3 NH2 is reacts with this CH3CO, O, CO and CH3 group. When these groups are attack on this group, then you can see that positive charge is present on this acyl group and these are negative charges present in this group. So my dear students, this hydrogen atoms is removed from in this side to form the compound CH3 NH COCH3. This compound is formed and acetic acid is removed. Here my dear students, you can see here when this compound is reacts with bromine and acetic acid, my dear student, then this bromine is attack on. Here this bromine is attack on this position of ortho ortho position with respect to this molecule, because it is a more activating molecule than this molecule, because this molecule is a more activated. So, this Br group is attached on this position, and you can get the CS3 Br NH COCS3. Here, my dear students, when this group is hydrolyzed with water, H plus ions upon water, then this is broken down and you can get the aniline here, NH2, here CS3 and here Br. So, your answer is this B. B is the answer. Now, my dear students, you can solve. This is the very important reaction, and this reaction is a conceptual reaction which is asked in your NEET exams also, because here two activating group are present, and when bromine is added in ortho position of this more dominant activating group. So, you can get this compound. Now, my dear students, so question number 39 and answer is B. Now, we can go the next question, that is question number 40. Here you can see the aniline reacts with phosgene to form. My dear students, here what is the reaction? Here when you see the reaction, this is the aniline NH2 reacts with phosgene COCl2. COCl2 is called, this compound is called phosgene. This compound is called phosgene. So, when this aniline reacts with phosgene, then this hydrogen twice H, remove this Cl, you can remove twice H Cl and form, my dear students, you can get the this CH5 and double bond C double bond O. This compound is called phenyl. This compound is called phenyl isocyanate. This compound is called phenyl isocyanate. So, answer is your D. D is the correct answer. Now, my dear students, when we go to the question number 41, which of the following reagents will be useful to distinguish between? Here, my dear students, when you can go to the benzene sulfonyl chloride, NH2 this and this NH2 both are reacts, because here primary amines are present. So, you can go to the answer C, that is HNO2 then beta naphthol, because this beta naphthol and HNO2 here reacts with this aniline to form a azo dye. You can see this reaction. This is a CS3 group, this is NH2 and you can go the HNO2, presence of HCl. That is why you can get this N2Cl, benzene diazoxide chloride. This benzene diazoxide chloride when reacts with this beta naphthol, this compound is called beta naphthol. Then, my dear students, here para position of this hydrogen atom, para position of this hydrogen atom is replaced by this Cl group, both are reacts with each other and to form azo dye, colored azo dye. So, this is a CS3, this N double bond N, and here this is the compound of beta naphthol and you can get the orange dye. So, we can distinguish the this aniline and benzylamine by this compound C, and this is the reaction, my dear students. Now we can see the question number 42. Here in this question, my dear students, basicity question is there, and you know very well, and this nitrogen atom directly attached with benzening means it's a less basic. When this nitrogen atom go in the ring, then it is a less basic, and when this nitrogen atom not go in the resonance, then it is a more basic, and this nitrogen atom is not go, that's why it's a more basic. My dear students, here question is that the strongest base among the following is, here B is less basic, so not, here not, it's a less basic, with compared to 2, you can get the answer 42, that is C, because here no resonance is present. Here these electrons are not participated in the resonance, so basic nature is increases, but small resonance is there, and here no resonance is present. So this nitrogen molecule is a sp3, completely sp3 hybridized. Here this is the sp3 hybridized, means less electronegative, so basicity is higher. Here this nitrogen atom is a sp2 hybridized, so more electronegative, that's why it is basicity is less with compared to this. So you can go to the answer C, the strongest base among the following is. My dear students, when we go to the question number 43, aniline is identified by, it's a very simple question, aniline is identified by the carbylamine reaction. My dear students, what is the reaction? When you can get the aniline CH5NH2, here we can write this carbylamine reaction. Here we can write the carbylamine reaction. What is the, my dear students, carbylamine reaction? This CH5NH2 reacts with here chloroform and KOH. Chloroform and KOH. Then you can see here, this is the chlorine atom, thrice KCl. You can see here, this hydrogen atom, this OH is removed, and thrice H2 is removed, and you can get the CH5 and C. This compound is called phenyl isocyanide, or another name of this compound is phenyl carbylamine. So my dear students, it is called carbylamine reaction because it is called phenyl carbylamine. So it is called carbylamine reaction. Here my dear students, we can go to the question number 44. Which of the following compounds gives dye test? Here you can, it's a very simple question. You can go to the aniline. Aniline always gives the dye test. When aniline is converted into benzene diazonium chloride and it reacts with phenol, it gives a orange red dye. Reaction is that. This is the aniline, reacts with HNO2, HCl, 0 to 4 degrees Celsius, and it is converted to N2Cl. My dear student, this N2Cl is a benzene diazonium chloride. When this benzene diazonium chloride is heated with phenol, another molecule of phenol, hydrogen atom of this para position is removed by this Cl minus ions and get the dye. This N, double bond N, and this is the phenol group, and this is OH group present on para position. It is called para hydroxy azobenzene, and my dear students, it is a orange red dye. It is a orange red dye, and this is given by phenol, given by this aniline. So in this question you can go to option A. This is the reactions and concept. Now, my dear students, we can go to the question number 45. It's a very important questions, because the order of basic strength among the following amines is, you can concept number 1, in aqueous solution for methyl, first of all, here secondary amine, then you can get the primary amine and tertiary amine. But here aqueous solution is not present, means water is not present. Here you can take the benzene. In benzene, tertiary, secondary and 1 degree is the order. So you can see the tertiary amine. What are the tertiary amine? And my dear students, here 3 alkyl radicals are attached with the nitrogen atom. This type of amine is called tertiary amine. And what are the secondary? When 2 alkyl groups are attached, then it is called secondary amine. And what are the primary amine? When only 1 alkyl group is attached, it is called primary amine. 1 degree amine. It is a secondary amine. Here it is a tertiary amine. So, my dear students, in benzene solution, tertiary amine is more basic than secondary and then primary. So, you can see here where is tertiary, where is secondary, where is primary. You can see the answer is B. In B option, you can see tertiary is more basic than secondary and secondary is more basic than primary. Now, we can see the question number 46. What is the decreasing order of basicity of primary, secondary and tertiary and ethylamine and ammonia? Here, my dear students, here you can see the ethyl basicity of ethylamine, and this is order is in ethylamine, means alkyl group is ethyl, and my dear students, order, basic order is, that is basic order is secondary, here then tertiary, here then primary, and here the ammonia. This is the basic order of ethyl group. So, you can see here options D, you can see here option D, here secondary amine, tertiary amine, primary amine and ammonia. So, answer is this. Now, my dear students, you can see here basicity of amines are very important, and maximum number of questions I am covering in this chapter. Now, Hinsberg reagent and name reactions are also covering, carbylamine reactions, Hinsberg reagent, these are also covering in this chapter. And I hope all questions of NEET you can solve, and you can easily solve previous year questions. Thank you very much.